1 minute. 2 minutes.
Bring him to me.
We're almost into the cash room, boys. Got it. We're in. It's payday. Go get the cash. Go!
Come on, let's go. Best thrill yet.
Who's that?